Baby, you don't know what you do to me, between me and you.
Hi guys, it's Shawna and I am here to show you my top 5 stretches I do in the mornings. As you can see, it is nighttime. I already previously did it, so I'm pretty loose. I will do 2 variations to it, so don't worry, because anybody could do these stretches. Before I get started, I should tell you that I make up my own names for these moves. They are called actual names, but I like to put a little twist in it and call it names that I find resonate with the move better. We're in the 2000s. We really need to get it together and come up with some more creative names. So I took it among myself to name these, and I hope you enjoy. And I hope it's not confusing at all. The first move that we will be doing is called the crab walk. They have the floor motion where you're on your elbows and you're connected to your knee and you're kind of rocking back and forth. This is a great warm-up, especially when you don't feel like doing like floor stretches or any type of intense stretches. This is very, very helpful to loosen up the pelvis area. There's another variation for intermittent beginners where you would use your hands and connect them to your knees and do the same rocking motion. This works just as well, but doing it with your elbows just gives it that intense pressure that you need. Next move that we did, I call that one the leg extension. The leg extension, you basically try to grab your knee or your thigh area closest to your knee and simply just shoot your leg as high as it can go. But you want to try and use it in the motion that I'm doing it. I'm doing it very slowly, and I am not trying to strain myself by going above and beyond, but I'm just trying to get that little piece of stretch that you would get in a split. The reason why this is more beneficial than doing just a simple split is because it's also stretching your back area, and that's what I like about this stretch. The third move we did, I call the Charlie horse. There's no reason why I should be calling it the Charlie horse, but I do. One variation for advanced where you can put your elbows onto the floor, which you can see that I did. The second variation is for intermittent beginners, and you can kind of just put your hands on the floor and rock in a motion, kind of where you can see where you lag and which foot is more flexible than the other, because there's always one side that's more flexible than the other. For me, I think it's my left side. I think I'm way more flexible on my left side. You kind of just have to feel out your body. This is a great way to learn your body. So the fourth move that I did is called a hip thruster. It's a tongue twister. Maybe it's because I'm from the islands, or maybe I'm talking way too fast. Anyway, yeah, the fourth move is a hip thruster. Basically, you want to pop out your hip as much as you can in this stretch. It is beneficial for your back, it's beneficial for your arms, and that tightness you feel in your neck to shoulder ratio. And I think 99% of the population sleeps the wrong way, which causes back pain. I am that 1% that knows the right way. Literally, you could get that pain even from an airplane. Like sitting down for maybe 5 to 13 hours on a flight, it could do that to you. And for the last move, this is a very simple move. All I do is put my head all the way down to my knees, like so, and I just relax my arms, I relax my head. A great thing for your neck is to nod yes and then shake your head no. I could stay in this position for hours, literally, because it's so relaxing. Sometimes it is a little intense at first, but if you do it consistently, it will be like a very great relaxing movement for you. I could go on for quite some time talking about this pose and doing different variations for it. With that being said, we ended the video. Yay! It's my top 5 poses that I do. These are like my all-time favorites. Like if I had to choose 5 different poses to do, I would do those 5. But if I'm doing a routine, I would try to make it more flowy a lot of these poses I had to like move and different twists and stuff like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like this content and subscribe. I guess I will see you later. Peace.